A delivery driver was told to drop off food and leave, nothing more. But Jake couldn't ignore what he saw. Elderly customers struggling to reach their doors, veterans who could barely walk, people who seemed desperately lonely. So he started breaking the rules. He bought groceries for a disabled veteran with his own money, helped an elderly woman set up her phone, checked on customers who looked unwell. His delivery times got slower. His supervisor wasn't happy. "You're being inefficient," they warned him. Jake kept helping anyway. Eventually, they fired him for violating company policy. But then something unexpected happened. Dozens of customers started calling the company. They were angry. Where was Jake? Who was going to help them now? Local news picked up the story. The company looked terrible. They offered Jake his job back with a promotion. But by then, something better had come along. A nonprofit offered him double his salary to officially help elderly people as a community outreach coordinator. Sometimes doing the right thing costs you everything, until it gives you everything that matters.